I want to talk about the SootEater chimney cleaning system from Gardus. If you're like me and you burn firewood, then you need to clean your stovepipe, you need to clean your chimney to make sure everything's running efficiently. What we used to have to do is go up on the roof, and that's a little bit precarious, a little bit more adventure than what I'd like. And we got this. This is at my dad's house. It comes with the instructions. It comes with the poles and the sweeper head. Additionally, you have an adapter to fit on your drill, and that right there is to assist you in getting the pieces on and off. And it's pretty easy. It's extraordinarily easy. You just put the piece into the drill and insert it into the thimble right there. You can also put it in through the stove or from a clean out if you'd like, but this was the best way for us to do it. And you will drill until you come to the end of the reach that you have with that section, and you'll put another piece on, and you'll keep going until you're able to clean out your entire chimney. Now, if you've ever done your chimney before or cleaned it, you know, pretty much anything with a chimney or a wood stove, you're going to run into a little bit of a mess. So you can see what we're doing right here. We have a shop vac pretty much going the entire time. It's kind of helping to alleviate the mess a little bit, but you should expect a little bit of mess while you're doing it. That's just part of the nature of dealing with a wood stove. And after going through every length and getting to the top of the chimney, you can go down to the bottom and get the clean out all squared away as well. There was a lot of soot in there. It's a great we did it. And you don't want to forget about your stovepipe as well. We took this outside, and you can see the ton of buildup and creosote that we had in there. So who is this good for? I mean, really anyone and everyone who burns wood and wants to keep their chimney operating at peak efficiency. I know for myself, I have one of these as well. I have a 2-story home, and it's a little bit precarious going up there. My father is getting a little bit older and don't want him messing around up on the roof either. This is a great way to be able to do it right from inside of your home, and you get fantastic results. If you're looking to make chimney cleaning easy, please click on the link in the description below.